Grabe tong kotse na to. Sobrang smooth ng suspension, wala akong masabi. I got you ulit. This is the 2018 Mitsubishi Montero GT 4x4 automatic transmission. Exterior-wise, fresh and original paint, keyless entry, auto-retractable side mirrors, may turn signal lights, 18 inches two-toned alloy wheels na makakapalang tires. Dito naman sa harap, projector headlamps, LED day running light, fog lamps at chrome grille. At pagpapasok ka sa kotse, di mo na kailangan pumindot sa susi. Dito na lang. Boom! Under the hood naman, meron kang 2.4 liter 4-cylinder automatic transmission 4x4 MyVec technology turbo diesel engine na syempre sobrang reliable yan, Montero yan, napakatibay niyan. At dito sa pinakalikod, fresh and original taillight, may rear sensor, chrome garnish at sa trunk, meron kang secret storage dito at foldable yung third row seat. At dito sa interior, so far napakaayos at napakalinis pa lahat. Meron kang sunroof, maayos na leather seat, maayos na leather wrap steering wheel, may controls, may paddle shifter, may cruise control, analog and digital display, touchscreen infotainment system, digital climate control, automatic transmission, hill assist, 4x4 mode at electronic parking brake. And take note guys, 7-seater SUV to kaya perfect talaga to pang family use at napakaganda ng suspension, sobrang ganda ng ride niya. At ang best part dyan, lahat ng seats niya powered na. Kaya kung gusto mo to, for only 995,000 pesos lang. Ganda nito guys, promise. Pag binili mo to, may peace of mind ka dito. Peace out.